Hey guys, welcome to this episode of the One Hit Wonder Thrift Series. I'm super pumped to have you along for the journey. Before we get into it, let's go over a few of the items that sold last night. I hope you enjoyed those video clips and that you enjoyed seeing what sold for me through my eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari stores. Now, let's get into the One Hit Wonder Thrift video. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to this episode of the One Hit Wonder Thrift Series. My name is Nick, and we're gonna get out and thrift, and we're gonna find something. You know the rules. One thrift store, one item, $15 or less, has to be able to resell for 4 to 10x what we pay for it. We're looking for bigger ticket items, things that are one-off, things that you don't normally find in the thrift store. Let's go. All right, here we go. We're in the store, wandering around, grabbing a cart. I forgot to grab a cart right off the bat. So got a cart, looking through, going to the shoes first, picking up some shoes because they were really cheap. $5.50, and I was not expecting that. So since I'm never at this store, or at least not in the past year, I decided to get some shoes. They had some higher price stuff there, but I avoided buying those. There was one pair of Nikes that I picked up that I actually did not buy when I got to the register because the air bubble in the heel was busted on one of them. So got some good stuff. Wandering around, you know how it is. It's a huge place with not much going on, and so you have to kind of dig it out. Found these two golf bags. One was, I think, kind of like an off-brand or a little-known brand. Then there was this tailor-made 5-way. However, it did not have the shoulder straps, so I passed it by. Maybe I could have sold it without the shoulder straps, but I prefer not to even mess with it. Golf clubs, nothing really to be said there. Moved on. There were some electronics that I wanted to look at, but that guy in the green jacket scooped them up. Found this DeWalt drill case. Just out of curiosity, looked it up. Was not worth anything. I didn't think it would be, but you never know. Looking for the electronics that guy had already picked up. Walked over here, found a skateboard, and I found some Barbies. The Barbies were not worth anything. There was some profit in that skateboard. So I asked the cashier to open up the case and let me get the skateboard. This was overpriced a little bit. It was $25 normally, but I had a 20% off coupon. So I used that and was able to get this for 20 bucks. And you can see they're selling right there consistently $80 to $100 plus shipping. So 80 plus shipping, landing right at about 100. And I put 20 bucks into it. So I'm happy with it. Wheels spin well. It's dirty, definitely has to be cleaned up, but I'm looking forward to selling it. Cashing out, paying that money, and getting out of the store. Overall, a very successful day in my humble opinion. And you know what it is, we're back on the way to the Thrift Mobile.
All right, guys, so because
Well, first off, let me just show you what we got at this stop. This is a Sector 9 skateboard since 1993. It's kind of a vintagey thing, vintage graphics kind of looking thing. It's got some wear and tear to it, but all the comps that I looked at in used condition had similar wear and tear, and they were all going anywhere from like $70 to $130. So that's what we got there. Next, I did buy a bunch of shoes because the last time I found shoes at the thrift and I did not buy them, I got a lot of people making comments in the comments section of the videos. So I locked in, I think, like 8 pairs. So that's cool. And then I got this little, each pair was $5.95, by the way. And then I got this Lego cup for my son. It's not a Lego cup, it's a build on brick mug because he loves Legos. Everything that I got here was $72, and then I got 20% off because I had a frequent shopper coupon. So we paid $20 for the skateboard, but I think we can get about $100 for it. So that is what we did. Went over the budget a little bit, but it'll be worth it. Thank you guys for joining today's One Hit Wonder Thrift Series video. It was fun. It was awesome. We found some really great stuff today, especially the skateboard. That was definitely a solid lock in for the day. You know, sometimes it's rough going to these stores, finding nothing or like barely getting anything worth selling. So getting the skateboard was a huge thing. I might try to sell that on Facebook Marketplace just to keep it local, to avoid paying fees, and to maybe move it a little bit faster since I won't have to ship and all that. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. Thanks for joining in on this video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next One Hit Wonder Thrift Series video.